Next is auto-reconciliation methods. In auto-reconciliation method, select a method that describes the condition that must be true for reconciliation configured with the auto-reconciliation method to qualify for auto-reconciliation. If any conditions are false, then auto-reconciliation fails and reconciliation is set to open so that preparer can manually prepare the reconciliation. Next is for account analysis and account analysis with transaction matching. We have set of methods like balance is 0. So if you set the auto reconciliation as balance is 0, you can set to that profile if the balance associated with the reconciliations for a given period is 0. Then the reconciliation is prepared and reviewed automatically for that period. If the balance is not 0, then reconciliation must be done manually and it should be manually prepared and reviewed. When you set the balance is 0 and no activity, you can set this auto reconciliation method only if the source system balance is 0 and the source system balance is same as prior reconciliation source system balance. This means that in previous reconciliation source system must exist for this method to set. When this auto reconciliation, when the auto reconciliation succeeds for this auto reconciliation method, then the reconciliation status will be in closed. Next, what is the condition, required condition for no activity account to be set? If a previous reconciliation exists, then there is a few conditions to be met, like the prior reconciliation status must be complete, and B, the prior reconciliation source system balance must be same as the current reconciliation source system balance, and C, the prior reconciliation format must be same as the current reconciliation format, like example format ID and also like a mandatory attributes. If the previous reconciliation doesn't exist, then the prior reconciliation source system balance is presumed to be 0 for the no activity accounts. If current period source system balance is also 0, then the reconciliation will be auto reconciled. If the current system source system balance is not 0, then the reconciliation will not auto reconcile. When the auto reconcile succeeds, the reconcile status is closed and the explained balance and source system adjustment transactions are copied from prior reconciliation to the current reconciliation, and file attachments and comments associated with these transactions are also copied. The age is recalculated by subtracting the open date from the new period end. The period the transaction is being copied into, and also the age violation for the transaction is set if the age is greater than the authorized age, and also the age violation flag for the reconciliation is also set if one or more transactions of each type have an aging violation. Comment and attachment that exists at the reconciliation levels are also copied. Next is balance with range. We have to set balance with range auto reconciliation method. There are certain conditions like A, the prior reconciliation must exist and the status of these reconciliation must be complete. The prior reconciliation format must be same as the current reconciliation format. You also have the source system balance is more than or equal to balance range low. When you select balance is with range, you will get two labels like balance to set the balance with the low range and the balance with the high range. So if only the source system balance is more than or equal to balance range low and the source system balance is less than or equal to balance range high, only then the system is auto reconciled. So if the auto reconcile succeeds, the reconciliation will be set to closed, and also like explained balances and source system adjustment transactions are copied from the prior reconciliation to the current reconciliation along with the attachments, comments associated with these transactions. Age are recalculated. Age violations for the transaction is set if the age is greater than the authorized age. And also comments and attach that exist in the reconciliation levels are also copied. Next is balance is within the range and no activity. Even this has a set of conditions like the prior reconciliation must exist and the status of this reconciliation must be complete. The reconciliation format must be same as the current reconciliation format. Even here you can set the balance range high or low. The source system balance is greater than or equal to balance range low. The source system balance is lesser than or equal to balance high. Like the source system balance minus the prior reconciliation balance is equal to 0. Then this profile is reconciled. When it is reconciled, the reconciliation set is closed. You can the explained balances and source system adjustment are copied like file attachment, comments, age is recalculated, and also age violation for that transaction is set if the age is greater than that authorized age. Next is for auto reconciliation method for balance comparison. For a balance comparison with transaction matching, balance is 0 and balance is 0 and no activities. These two are for the balance is 0, no activity and no activity account. For these, you can set a custom rule to obtain the correct results. Whereas in balance is 0, there are required conditions like A, if a balance associated with the reconciliation for a given period is 0, then the reconciliation is prepared and reviewed automatically for the period. If the balance is not 0, then the reconciliation must be manually prepared and reviewed. After the auto reconciliation method, this will be closed. Next is balance match percentage tolerance. If a balance comparison format is assigned to a profile, then the profile can be enabled for a balance comparison where the balance match the auto reconciliation method. If this method is enabled, then a threshold value can be applied. The threshold percentage is applied against the source system balance to calculate the threshold value. If the difference between the source system balance and the subsystem balance is less than the threshold value in the period, then the reconciliation is prepared and reviewed automatically for that period. If the difference is greater than the threshold value, then the reconciliation must be manually prepared and reviewed. Enter the match balance threshold in the percentage. It can be a whole number between 1 and 100. When the auto reconciliation method is succeed, the reconciliation status is set to closed. Next is balance match with the value tolerance. The difference between the source system balance and the subsystem balance is less than or equal to the tolerance value. The tolerance value is specified on the profile. Enter the balance match tolerance number or the tolerance amount. When the auto reconcile succeeds, the reconciliation status is set to 0. And that I'll be showing in the profile. For example, now there is a balance comparison. Then the method will be like balance is 0, balance is 0 and no activity, balance match tolerance, percentage tolerance that you can set to 1 to 100, balance match tolerance, value tolerance, you can set the value. Next is maximum age limit. Here it determines whether the source system or the subsystem can be entered manually by the preparer or the, sorry, this is the manual entered balance. It determines whether the source system or subsystem balance can be entered manually by the preparer or the on the reconciliation. If the box is checked, that means it is the file is not imported for this profile. This will be manually prepared. Enter source system balance manually. It applies to the account reconciliation and balance comparison method. And enter subsystem balance manually. It applies only for the balance comparison method, not for the any other account analysis method. If I change this account analysis, click on OK. I just want to show you the difference, the methods. Here it is balance is 0, activity, balance is 0 and no activity method, balance is within the range and balance is within the range and no activity. So on this condition only then auto reconcile rule is run and give you the desired result. Yeah.
Yes, Rashmi, when you select the method as account analysis, correct? Why the last checkbox, correct, got disabled? It says manually enter balance, correct?
Yes, correct.
So enter subsystem
I'll tell
balance.
you why. Yeah, in account analysis, you need only one source system. Why do you, there is like a general source system.
Okay, and
only in the balance comparison,
account analysis will be doing at the subledger transaction level, correct? That's what account analysis means.
Yes.
So do we then need to load the subsystem transaction means through a program or the data management tool which you mentioned?
Yeah, it will load through data management. Here, this is manually enter balance. If you want to manually enter it, only then you have to check box it.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, it automatically loads to data management. Yes.
Okay.
All right. Next is so we covered two methods here: balance comparison and account analysis methods, and its auto reconciliation method. Next, there is a variance analysis method left that I'll go through. When I come to that point, I'll explain you in the better way. Next, here is profile. Next, in profile, you can provide any instruction for this profile if it is required. And also you can add the reference document, like you can browse the file from it and give it a name. It should not be maximum of 5 MB. This is because we have set the system configuration as 5 MB. Next is workflow. If you don't set a workflow for any profile, the reconciliation is not created. The one reason is the frequency. You have to set the frequency which is created. The second reason is there is no workflow for a reconciliation. So you can select the preparer you want in here. You can add the preparer. Like you can click on add button. If you know the name, you can search with the name and last name, or you can also give an advanced search with the user ID. email and description, or you can just click on search. You will get all the users that is present in the system and select and click on OK. Next is set. If you want a backup user, even you can set that. Click on add symbol and select the backup user. Next is frequency, which is the must. You have to add the frequency for profile. And schedule from, it can be a close date or end date. Start day or set can be 0. Duration is within 10 days. It should be reconciled by the preparer. Next is a reviewer. As of now, you can set 3 reviewers, but the maximum number of the reviewer can be set is 10. You can add the reviewer, and you can also add the backup user and set the frequency and the duration. Next is currency. Just see what currency bucket is should be enabled to this set of profile. Depending on that, you have to enable the currency bucket. This is the rate type, which we have already discussed in the last session. If you want to need a historical rate, not the imported rate, then you can just click on the historical rate. Next is access. You can give the commentator and viewers the access, like who can be a commentator. Just add plus symbol and search. Just select the commentator and click on add, or you can just add all the users in the system and click on OK. Next is viewers. Select the viewers, the same like commentators, and click on add and then select OK. Next is attributes. If you need more information about this profile from the preparer, that cannot be done by system defined attributes, you can just add the attributes here. These are the system defined attributes, but you know where to create the attributes from the application configuration, then attributes. If I set the accounting date, these were the type, date, and you can set the value. Also, you can set the security here, like select the role and see who you want to give the access to. If it is administrator, give the access like do not display to the reconciliation, or do not display anywhere, allow edit, or copy reconciliation changes to the profile. Next is rules. There are set of predefined rules, as I already explained you. Auto submit reconciliation rules, send email on updates. You can attach the rules here and configure the profile. And the history. The history of the profile can be seen here, whatever the activities is done to this profile. So this is how we create the profile in ARCS.